Test one, test one. You've been trying to figure out this look that you've been seeing a lot, from film grain to film emulations to the whole nostalgia of the look of film. Look no more. Dehancer is here. That was real infomercial-like. But I've been using Dehancer for about a month now inside of Davinci Resolve. And what has been happening is I've found that I go to Dehancer before I start doing any color grading within Davinci, and it's just because it's simpler. It's easy to access. You can get there quicker. You don't have to use the film looks, but those film looks get you to a place closer to where you want to be a lot faster than moving wheels, sliders, curves. So for more personal projects versus, to be honest, I've been using it on actual client projects. They've been happy. I've been happy. The look looks great. You can really go in and fine tune from your tonal ranges, your saturations, your gammas. Like, it's really detailed. As I've said all that, take a few minutes and check out some of the looks that we've created over the last 4 weeks or so. Just random clips and just sticking different Dehancer looks on them. As you look through these, you'll see from black and whites to different type of color tones. None of these have actually been touched within the Davinci Resolve editor. I also did a thing and did not touch any of the editing tools within Dehancer throughout these clips. I just used the natural film look that they had, not left it on. Now, like what these looks look like without the actual grain on it. To be honest, just to speed up your workflow and give your work a look, Dehancer is the way to go. Yes, you can use LUTs. Yes, you can get different looks and try a whole bunch of different things. But if you want to create a look and then fine tune it, you also can save those looks as presets. So now you're like, oh, this is the look I like. This is what I want it to be. Preset saved. What I found interestingly good about Dehancer versus another plugin that I often use is the integrated features the features are actually integrated directly into Davinci. And so I can go in and change my halation, change my bloom, change my vignette, change my color range, you can change so many different things within Dehancer without going out of that's crazy, it's a tongue twister, without having to go out of Davinci Resolve to do it in another pop-up window. Like, you can do it all within that one screen. So that's a big deal, because a lot of other color editors bring up a pop-up, you got to do your thing and apply. Y'all know the deal. But no, I'm looking over here because I'm looking at the screen right now. It's just like, y'all made a good product. Shout out to Dehancer. As a matter of fact, the link below will give you 10% off on Dehancer. So click that link, try it. I recommend it. Here go a few more looks, so you can just say, hey, yay, nay, okay, whatever. But Dehancer's a great addition to your editing workflow. It works within Davinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, I think Premiere as well. It's a good thing. Shout out to the good things. I think by far my favorite thing about Dehancer is that even though it being a film emulation plugin, it literally allows you to create your own looks. And that is a testament to how good I believe this program could really be as a plugin in whatever you're editing. Because they got photo editors, video editors, a mobile editor. So yeah, it's probably one of the simplest, most straightforward ways to create a look. I've been professionally editing videos for over 5 years. There hasn't been tools and technology to do the things that we can do at the speed that we do them now So Dehancer has sped up my workflow tremendously and is now allowing me to create looks in fractions of the time that it normally took me to create looks. Well, it's the philosophy for me, man. See y'all next week. Check out the next video next week. I'm going to talk about Dehancer as a plugin from Lightroom and Capture One and Photoshop. Okay? See you then. Adios. Peace. Sayonara. Have a good day. Be blessed. You know, all the good stuff. Yay!